Another one looking, there's more than one probably. Not bad.
We were cruising along and he was right in the ditch below us. And I hopped out. I tried to turn the GoPro on first, which I did, and loaded it. And he started to fly up the bank, so I just kind of instinctively shot. So I definitely body shot him, which I should have aimed it a little higher. But I'm sure there'll still be a little meat. It was on the back, so. Pretty bird. That was cool. One, good start. So tell what happened.
I saw one walking and probably wasn't any more than 15 feet from me, all fluffed out and ready to book it. And I took a quick shot and hit it, and it literally went about 8 feet off the ground with its wings flapping back up a tree. I thought sure it was done for, and then he somehow got turned in the air and kept on going for a little ways.
Nothing. Surprised.
Me too.
I heard that. Luke, reach it. Did you get the second
there's
one?
Another one right there.
Dad, right there.
Right
here, come here, come here. Right here, there's two more, right there.
That one's down?
You got him.
There's another one in there.
Yeah, we'll go in.
Reload. Reload.
Zach, you got eyes on him?
Nope.
Where is it? Oh, yeah. Get him?
I think you did. I'm not sure.
Luke, did you hit the one flying too?
I'm not sure.
I think you might have. It looked like you took a nosedive. There's one off to, there's one right there.
One there. One here.
That was Dad's right here.
Yep.
That's a big one.
There's another dead one here.
That's
and another dead one there.
Luke, you hit the one flying. That's the flying one. Or that one. He did. No, there's Dad. There's four down. Up top, brother. Dad, where?
You get him?
Nope.
Where is he?
He's right in this tree. Come over here. You have to get the body though.
Dad, where?
Right there.
Tell me where. Oh, I see him.
Where's that?
Are you sure?
Well, he flew down.
He did.
Stay here by the bird.
He streaked down.
Luke, go straight.
There was kind of a branch, and I could see his head and in his body, so I shot for the body.
You want me to stay right here or what?
Yeah, by the bird.
He's right in here, Luke.
So, talk about what just happened then. So we're walking. We walked down a pristine trail here in Vermont and get all the way to the end of it. And we've had good success on this road in the past. And turned around, pretty bummed. I'm walking out about halfway up the road. I look over to my right and there's a bird and another bird. So I think Dad shot first, right? I think you shot the first one. And the one on the wing, and then he shot the third one. That's what I shot one on the ground, the other one flew off. Yeah. Got lucky and numbed that one. Also, I don't know how much footage I got of this. We haven't watched it back yet, so I'm really hoping I actually got some footage of this. So I was lucky enough to get the one on the wing, so that one went over a little knoll, and then Dad saw another one, shot at that, dropped that one, and then there happened to be another one with that one that I also shot, and that one died too. And so we got 4. And then there was a 5th one in a tree that Dad was shooting at with the 28, but it was pretty thick, and that one ended up flying off, and we didn't get that one. But we got 4 within a matter of about 30 seconds. That was unbelievable. So Luke has 3 down, Dad has 1 down, and I have 1 down. So Luke's about to limit out, and it's not even 10 o'clock, I don't think. 10-11. 10-11. Okay. A couple of them were headshots. The one on the wing was definitely a body shot. How dare you? But it went down. Come on. And, so there we have it. Getting some birds down here in Vermont. That's right. Vermont is great hunting, guys. It's the Vermont hunt. You see it? Oh.
He's still running.
There was another one to the left. I'm pretty sure there's another one in there to the left. Yeah, that first shot, I knew I rushed it. Oh, you got him? Oh, shoot. I thought there was another one. How far did he go? We're still gonna go after him?
I think so.
I hope so. Did you get him? Dang. If you go back out, Luke, grab that bird. I'm coming out. Nope.
So it took me 3 shots with the 28 to clear a hole through minor brush to kill that bird.
And he didn't leave?
No,
He just sat there.
for 3 shots. And every time I aimed at his head, took my time, nice and steady.
So
Where's my bullets?
We got 8 or 9.
Should be great.
8.
Should be
8.
These are the 12.
We each have 2 left, Dad.
I've got 4 shells.
No, I'm saying we each have 2 birds left to shoot.
I know. Got it?
I can't believe that. I jumped, I think, the same bird 3 times in circles. And I just couldn't get him. The second time it was impossible.
So they were up in the trees.
Yeah, every time I jumped those out of trees. So what do you want to do, Luke? Are you going to film or what are you doing?
I was going to back this down because
Do it.
he's walking.
Woo! Wildness.
Yeah.
Sweating. I'm missing birds all over the place on the wing. Whatever. We got 8 down now. Luke's limited out. I have 2, Dad has 2.
I think we should walk in on that road in there and cover down it, but
Want to do it?
I do.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, they're in there.
Let's do it.
There's 2 roads.
Okay. I'll come up with you and then we'll just split up on each road.
Yeah.
Good work.
Bring it on out, bub.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice one. He started to move a little, and when I got out he stopped, and as soon as I was loading he started to run, so I had to crouch down to shoot under all that stuff under there. But number 3, one more.
Yes, sir.
Yes!
I might have. It might have been really high. I don't know.
That was
I
awesome!
literally just flipped.
That was awesome! I wanted to shoot one under the tree all day, and that was my last one. Yes! Actually, I clicked this on, and I don't know if I got it with this. Ooh,
Sorry, I just put it in park.
that was cool. Are you recording? No. You didn't hit it?
It says standby.
It said that the whole time?
I don't know. How do I go back and check?
Let me see.
I just tried really hard.
Let me see. No, that was it's showing the other one. No, it's okay though. I might have got it on this, I don't know. Go pick that one up. I might have got it on the GoPro. I did click it on before, I think I did. Still see feathers floating down. Boom. There he is, fellers. Number 4, my first time limiting out, I think. Oh, he's a mess. That's awesome. They're such beautiful birds. Oh my word. They really are. They're so pretty. Oh, oh.
That's a great. Pretty sure that's a.
Where did it fly up out of? Because I saw it coming off like the bumper. It was like
It was
right.
probably right by that branch, and it flew. Yeah, straight up into that tree.
I'm curious. I got it on this. We'll check, but that's 10. That's tying our most that we've gotten up here. Look at that pile of birds. Look at that. Yes. That's awesome.
We have shot so much today. Been like a shooting gallery.
Been a good one.
It has. We've got 10 and we've missed 4 or 5, but it's been a wonderful day with my boys.
Can't beat it.
Can't wait till Jeremy comes. Oh my goodness. We'll let him bang away for a while.
Get on it, Dad. He's watching it. Dad, get on it. Gun up. Wait, keep going. Keep going. Go, shoot it. It's okay.
I thought it was way up.
Oh no, it was right there.
Oh, if I'd have known that it shot, I was looking at that thing way up
Oh, you
there.
didn't see it?
Well, I saw it after it flew.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I
No.
was looking at that tuft up
Oh, no, it was right there. Keep going. That's okay. He's probably right in the edge of the woods. Don't worry about it.
there. I'd have him.
You can't do anything about that. That's not your fault.
I saw him at that because he was ready to fly. Oh, I was looking at that big tuft up there
okay.
and said, that's a long shot. That would have been a good shot right there.
It's okay. Again, you can't. If you don't see the bird first, you can't do anything about it. It's not. And there could be another one right beside too. And what's the thing to remember, Dad?
Main thing is to keep the main thing.
Cut. The 47-point turn. That's 3. I'm gonna say 8.
You ever seen prettier legs on a fellow?
Look at those calves of Steve. Timbadoodle! Timbadoodle! That's 4. Oh, you're gonna get 6.
He'll do it in 6.
Yep. What's the signal? Timbadoodle?
Shoot, shoot!
5. Sink it.